welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Today, for something slightly different, there is a non-challenge from Desmond Donders, so I thought I'd give it a go. We have 12 questions to answer, and it is, what type of YouTuber are you?
Question 1. Do you subscribe right away to a new channel, or do you watch videos first?
I watch the videos first. If I like the videos and like the content, I then subscribe.
Question 2. Does the make sure you subscribe mantra ever sway you to subscribe?
No, never. But I still put it on all my videos.
Question 3. How many channels do you have the bell turned on for?
I don't know. When I subscribe to a channel, I always hit the bell icon, and later on, if I'm not watching that channel so much, I will take the bell off.
Question 4. Do you watch every video from your subscription list, or just your favourites?
I don't watch every video. I will go through every video on my subscription list and watch most of them, but depends on time and depends on the content of the videos.
Question 5. How many channels do you never miss and upload for?
Only a handful of my very favourite channels. I will definitely watch everything they upload.
Question 6. What kind of commentator are you?
I don't comment on all videos. I try to leave a small comment when I can. If I find something very relevant in the video, I will comment to it.
Question 7. Do you skip the ads or do you watch them?
I'm sorry to say, I always skip them.
Question 8. Do you speed up videos?
No, I either watch the video or I don't watch the video.
Question 9. Do you ever click affiliated links or use affiliated codes?
Not yet. I've never used an affiliated link or code as yet.
Question 10. What's your preference when it comes to video length?
No video length, no preference. It depends on the content and how much I like the video.
Question 11. Do you thumbs up most videos?
I do thumbs up most videos I watch, but only because they are from subscribed channels which I enjoy watching. I don't do it automatically, but most of the content I watch I do enjoy, so I do thumbs up.
Question 12. Do you ever thumbs down a video?
I have never thumbs down a video. Basic reason is, if you don't like it, don't watch it. If you thumbs down something you don't like, you're still giving that channel interaction.
That's the end of the questions.
Well, I hope that gives a slight view of what type of YouTuber am I. And see you again. Bye.